What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Chad Williams Fixes All. In this episode, we're going to be opening the hood on this 2015 Chevy Trax. Let's get to it. So the hood release is actually in the driver cockpit. So what we're going to need to do is open up the driver's side door. Now that we're in the driver's seat, we can go ahead and reach down, and there's a little lever here that has a little car with the hood open. We're just going to pull on that, and that will go ahead and release the hood. Now with the hood release done inside the car, we can come back out to the front, and we're just going to stick our hand right here. It's kind of above the Chevy emblem. There's a little lever. The lever is going to go towards the driver's side of the vehicle, and then you can go ahead and lift up. And as you're opening the hood, where you have a hood prop right here in the front, you're going to just pull that up, and then there is a slot here that you just slide that into, and now the hood can rest open. Here's a close-up of what the lever looks like that you're going to be reaching your hand in here for. So I like to just reach it in here, and you're just going to push it over to the right, and that will release the hood. So there you go. That's how we open the hood on our 2015 Chevy Trax. It's going to be very similar for all Chevy Trax. If this video helped you, please make sure to click the like button, subscribe to my channel. Make sure to check out the other Trax videos I have out there. I have a whole bunch. But until next time, thanks for watching.